Hey, what's up? My name is William. I'm 19 years old and I live in Sweden. I've been a member of POW since end of March, start of April. And what I wanted to show you today was a strategy or an algorithm, a bot, a portfolio, whatever you want to call it, that I created yesterday. Yesterday I did it on a camping trip. So this is how easy it is to do. And my initial thought for making this portfolio was I wanted to, so just so you know, all of these open MT5 windows down here, each one has a specific bot, a specific strategy or algorithm or portfolio, whatever you want to call it. And the first one is actually my first strategy that I ever made, which performed so well that I kept it, and it's called Shotgun. And if you've seen the previous video where I talk about my two main strategies, Shotgun and Sniper, you know what this is. But for those that didn't watch it, it's a strategy that enters a lot of trades with little size. And so I wanted to do something very similar, but slightly different. And I also told you a tip in the last one, which was add as many pairs, as many conditions as possible. So a condition would be against trend, range, and trend. Those are the three conditions that I use. And just add as many as possible, because what that gives you is asymmetrical returns. The drawdowns aren't affected as much when you add more pairs, because the pairs balance each other out and the conditions. But what it does, it gives you more profits instead. So that's what I wanted to do. That's what was my initial thought. And this strategy came to be. So what I did here was I just maximized with a lot of pairs, and then based on the data, I removed pairs that just had too big of a drawdown, weren't consistent in their trades, and Darren will talk about all this in POW. They weren't consistent with their trades, or they had little to no profit. So it wasn't what's the word? It wasn't profitable to implement them. And this one is absolutely crazy. So the drawdown on these, on the back test, when I went back in time and tested this specific portfolio with all of these conditions, all of these pairs, was a little less than 4%. And the profit on these each month was about 15 to 20%, which is insane. And I really do believe that's because I've added so many pairs and conditions on here that they balance each other out. And I also prove it right here. And so today is Friday. Friday usually is a very slow day, and today was a very slow day. I mean, if we look at my two main portfolios, the shotgun, the normal shotgun, I call the other one shotgun 2.0, but the normal shotgun did about 5.8%, which is good. Actually, it's very good. It's 0.5%. It's what I aim for every day, and that's because it enters a lot of trades and then can exit a lot of trades that are in small profits, and they stack up and they become a lot of. It ends up being a lot of money. So it's 0.5%. You can see all of these trades that it entered. Now my sniper didn't perform that well, because what it does, it only enters specific like trades with big size once the conditions are met, and it only made 0.1%. And this is something that in my future portfolios I try to optimize, so I make steady income every day, about at least 0.5%. Now this is a different strategy or a portfolio that I'm testing right now. It's called trend, so only trend. It only goes for trend, no ranging conditions, no against trend conditions. And it only made 0.06%, which is not good at all. So what I thought with this one was that I might need to implement even more pairs. Just more pairs and all trending conditions. But the thing when you do a trend-only strategy is that you run out of pairs, right? But if I would put all of these pairs on here with 3 different market conditions, ranging against trend and trend, then that would be on here, there's Euro USD, GU, Euro CAD, Odd USD, and Odd CAD. So on here, there's 5 different pairs. Now, they together only have 5 different conditions. But if I would put all of my 3 conditions on here, ranging against trend and trend, that would mean 15 conditions. 15 conditions, that's good. That's about what my normal shotgun has. So then it would have made a lot more. And now my new shotgun 2.0, it has done similar to my normal shotgun. And so this was exactly what I wanted to do, because this one, shotgun 2.0, it enters differently. So the strategy is different, but with the same results. And so then I can connect both of these to real live accounts. Now this one is obviously in a test phase, but once it's complete, if it shows potential, to live capital and have a risk diversification with 2 different strategies, not entering the exact same trades and trading on different pairs, but still making very similar good results. So this is the shotgun 2.0. It has a lot of market conditions, a lot of pairs. I just tried to maximize out everything of it. And so far, how long have I been running this? Since yesterday? Yeah, I started yesterday evening, I believe. Yeah, so it's only data from today. But so far, I'm very happy with this, and I'm excited to see how far this strategy goes and how consistent it will be. And that's everything for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.